In this short tutorial, we're going to show you a workaround if you're having problems using hyperlinks in older versions of PowerPoint. Normally, what people will do is you go into Actions, you choose Edit, and you're going to copy this link. But in some versions of Microsoft products, especially older versions, this link gets broken. Fortunately, there's an easy workaround if you get a problem with your link not loading properly. You're going to go up to Contents, click on My Content, go to Actions of the game you want to get a link for, and we're going to choose Share Settings. On this page, you have two links. We want to choose the PowerPoint link, which is the second one. Copy it, and now you can use this link in your PowerPoint presentation. If you have any further additional questions, please contact us at support@c3softworks.com.